Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the AutoPly installation kit for our RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. All right, this is a full installation kit for the RAM ProMaster. In our case, this is for the 159-inch wheelbase with regular body length as opposed to the extended body length. And this is basically an installation kit that allows you to fill in all the little nooks and crannies on your ProMaster or whichever van you have to insulate it. And so I'm actually gonna move this onto the floor because otherwise you're not gonna be able to see anything. But inside this box, we have our insulation right here. You can see this is a panel. This is what's called the Auto Weave. It's kind of an insulation fabric. There's no fiberglass in here, so you're not gonna have to worry about itching or anything like that. It's mold and mildew resistant, and it's allergen free, so you're not gonna have any issues with that if you're using your van for adventure or just don't want any of that junk in your van at all. And on the back of the Auto Weave, we have our self-adhesive, which is gonna allow you to essentially peel off this backing and stick it into the cavities on the wall. And so this is just one of those cavities. You can see we have our little backing right here that peels away and a nice sticky surface right there. This has been really quality tested to make sure that it's going to stick to the van and stay there and last and not fall off. So went through several iterations to get that right with this insulation. So we have one panel here. We have another panel right here. Another panel right here. This looks like a wheel well cut out. Another panel right here. Another panel right here. By the way, this is all 1/2-inch thick material. Provides some good insulation value. Another panel right here. Other side of a wheel well looks like. Another panel right here. We've got a bunch of other tiny panels. And then in our box, we have this little white separator. So the box is broken up into sections that represent a section on the van. So I believe this is for, maybe the right rear of the van. And so that's all grouped together within the box. And there's a separator. You're gonna have the next group and so on to make it easy to line these up because there's a lot of different sizes, a lot of different nooks and crannies to fill on the ProMaster. So we have it all broken up like that. So this is a nice 1/2-inch insulation material. Like I said, there's no fiberglass or anything like this. It's allergen free, mold, mildew resistant, and it comes with the adhesive you need to stick it in place. Everything's pre-cut, figured out for you. You don't have to try and measure and cut a bunch of insulation material. This is all figured out for you in a kit. Now, just a couple other great things about this insulation. Like I said, it's mildew resistant, bacteria resistant, it's allergen free, it's recyclable, it's made in the USA. This adhesive on the back here is low VOC. So just a really great woven material here. If you're interested in the R value of this 1/2-inch product, it is R value of 2. So a lot of times you're gonna use this with some other product like a Duratherm liner or something like that, and you'll get the ultimate level of insulation and soundproofing, thermal proofing in the van. It's sold by the van, so make sure that you're selecting the right wheelbase, roof height, and all of that if you try and purchase it for your van. Now, if you're looking for this installation product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.